For about a month now, whenever I open YouTube, I hear the same channel name every day, Khatta Limboo. Khatta Limboo also became curious about what is in this channel that every content creator is making videos on it, and when I searched, I was immediately shocked, because this channel only uploads shorts around 2 shows and gains more than 1 million subscribers. After seeing all this, I must have been itching to check the income, so when I opened Social Blade to check the income, I was shocked once again because this channel is earning approximately $10,000 a month, which is more than 8 lakhs in Indian rupees.
Ah yes, everyone is supposed to do it.
But how will you do it when no one is explaining it properly? Everyone is talking about the same overused stuff that everyone knows. Stories from ChatGPT, images from Leonardo, and voices from 11 Labs. Bro, everyone knows this, but if you notice, you'll realize that on this channel, voice and background music attract viewers more than the story. So today in this video, I am going to expose the complete A to Z of the Khatta Limboo channel, from what voices they use to the background music, and how to create the most important consistent characters like this channel. Everything will be covered in this video, so watch the video till the end without skipping because all the steps are very important. If you don't believe it, first see the results.
Today Sheru was going to play with his friend, but suddenly clouds gathered and it started to rain heavily. Quickly passing through an old forest path near his home, Sheru heard a strange sound. He thought, what could this be? As he slowly moved deeper into the forest, he sees...
Watch the rest of the result at the end. Now let's start the tutorial quickly. And yes, first I want to tell you that this is my first video, so kindly like and share it, then I will help you all to become AI creators. Your responsibility is like your grandfather's, so I won't beg much. If you have to do it, do it. If not, it's your loss. Now, let's start the video. The first step is story writing. We need a thrilling story like Khatta Limboo's, for which I have written a prompt in advance, which you will find in the description box. So copy this and open ChatGPT, then paste this prompt. You can see ChatGPT has generated a story, but this story also has some English words, and since you all don't know any English, I will give a prompt to write the story in Hindi. So now our story has been generated. Read the story once. If you don't like it, regenerate it. It's free, so don't be afraid. Then copy the story. Now our next step is voiceover, so we need to open 11 Labs. After that, paste the copied story. Then clear this part. So next, click on Find More Voice. At this point, I am going to explain to you the specific voice that Khatta Limboo uses on his channel. To find it, you need to search for Prayas and then select the first voice that appears in the search results. So kids, if you are curious about how I discovered which voice they are using, please leave a comment below expressing your interest and I will create a video dedicated to this topic. Later on, all of you will be able to easily identify any AI-generated voice. We will select that same voice, generate it, and then proceed to download it for your use. So now our next part, which is the most important, is to generate consistent images like this. The easiest method for this, your grandfather has thought up, is that you all need to go to Khatta Limboo's YouTube page and then open any of the shorts and take a screenshot of that character. And after that, open Leonardo AI in Chrome by clicking here, then click on Describe with AI and upload that same screenshot. So here, I will confirm the details and generate the necessary output. Save it now. You can see our image has been generated, but this image is not very good yet. We were supposed to make it look like a little kid, but it turned out like my old man. And here, I will click on this pencil and write, make him more like a human kid, like a lion. And then I will click on Generate, so you can see that a good image has been generated now. It's not exactly like Khatta Limboo, but it's not worse than that. Anyway, how much will you copy? You all should use your own brains and put in some effort. Always copying will not do anything for you. So now we will generate all images from this same image. For that, first you need to click on the 3 dots and then click on Copy Sheet. Then on the left side, click on Advanced Settings and enable this option. Then paste the copied seed here. This step is very important, so don't forget it by mistake. Now you need to open ChatGPT again. To open ChatGPT, you should then type in a request such as, please provide me with prompts to generate images for this story. Generate pictures for each scene. Here, ChatGPT misunderstood our prompt and is generating photos instead of prompts. So we'll try once more, and now the correct prompts have arrived. To generate images, we'll copy the first prompt. Then open Leonardo AI and the images that were generated. Start by clicking on the pencil icon and pasting your prompt into the designated field. Next, we will remove all unnecessary elements, retaining only the essential part before clicking the Generate button. Once completed, you will see that our image has been successfully created. It is important to repeat these exact steps for each prompt, and I have prepared a total of 7 different prompts for this process. I will repeat the same steps 7 times in total, and remember to select either TikTok or mobile when choosing the aspect ratio. I mistakenly generated the first 2 images, but you need to generate images with the correct aspect ratio. And yes, in Leonardo AI, you can only generate 6 images per day. After that, you need to log in with a new Gmail and first copy the prompt and seed number from this Gmail. Now all my images have been generated. Next, the last part of our video is video editing. For video editing, I will use CapCut. If you don't have the CapCut application, then click on the link in the description box to join the Telegram channel. There, everyone will find all the video-related materials, so click on New Project and add all the images. Then, click on Add Audio and add the voiceover that we generated at the start. Then, zoom into the voice, watch it, split and delete it accordingly. After that, merge all the audios. This makes the voice smoother and the speed correct. Then, you need to adjust the images according to the voiceover. Just like the scene in the voiceover, the same scene should play in the picture. The rest, you are all smart. Since you'll do at least this, I'll do it quickly. Next, you must have seen that he adds a dark fade transition in his video. After reviewing all the pictures thoroughly, please click here, search for the fade effect option, and then add the black fade transition. Here, you should click on Apply to All to prevent having to do additional work, since selecting this option will automatically add the same transitions to every picture in the sequence. Next, as I previously mentioned, I chose background music such as Khatta Limboo, which is not widely known. I discovered this track after extensive listening and believe it greatly enhances the video's overall feel. Furthermore, I will inform you that the background music will be accessible through my Telegram channel. The link is provided in the description below, so please go ahead and join quickly, and then I will add that music and adjust the volume accordingly. So it gives a zoom effect in his video, which we will edit using keyframes. Add a keyframe at the start of the picture and then go to the end and zoom in a bit. The keyframe will be automatically added, then repeat the same steps for all the images. If you wish to incorporate sound effects, you are certainly able to do so, despite the platform not offering sound effects within their channel. Personally, I add various sound effects and then carefully edit them to ensure they fit appropriately.
We are committed to doing it for everyone involved.
So now our video is complete and everything has come together seamlessly. At this point, I will proceed to export the video to finalize the production process. As you have witnessed, the entire process was remarkably straightforward and user-friendly. Therefore, before the competition in this particular niche continues to grow and intensify, it is advisable to swiftly initiate your own channel and begin uploading high-quality content without delay. The longer you wait to take action, the fewer opportunities you will have to succeed. So, that concludes today's video. Please make sure to like this video first and subscribe to the channel for more content. Finally, you can now view the shorts that we have created.
Shiru was going to play with his friend today, but suddenly clouds gathered and heavy rain began. Quickly passing through an old forest path near his home, he heard a strange sound. He thought, what could this be? Slowly moving deeper into the forest, he saw an old mansion where an elderly woman was standing whom everyone called a witch. She looked at Shiru and laughed, saying, "Why have you come here, son?" Shiru's heart started pounding. Will he be able to return home? Or will the forest